Hi guys, the electricity at my house is out since early this morning, about 8 o'clock. It's now after 12 noon, going on more towards 1 o'clock. I'm at the beach on the North Shore and it is blowing and raining. And see if I can give you a view of what the ocean looks like over here. Every once in a while there's a gust of wind that comes through. I'm not going to do this very long because it's pretty crazy, but just a fast video of the beach. The waves are pretty high. Whoa, and very dirty water. So that's the island of Maui, how it looks. And that ocean is nasty. Alright guys, very short video because I might get blown over this cliff. I'll talk to you guys later, and hopefully I can post this today if the electricity comes back on. But that's really iffy. Anyway, I'll keep you up to date, whether it's late or soon. Okay? Bye.